In this Hyperliquid video, I'm going to be explaining what is the Hyperliquidity Provider, the HLP. So you may have seen talks of the HLP when you're seeing talk about Hyperliquid, and essentially this is just a liquidity provider made by Hyperliquid that is a core part of the Hyperliquid infrastructure. So what it does is it's a community-owned vault that provides liquidity to Hyperliquid through multiple market making strategies and performs liquidation and accrues platform fees. So you can see all of the different positions down here, and this is all of the live trading that Hyperliquid are doing. So as an exchange, they are also a market maker and they are constantly placing trades in the market. And what that does is that provides liquidity for us users to be able to trade. So whenever somebody takes a position, it's likely that Hyperliquid will also take a position, and that will offer up liquidity. And what they also do is obviously they perform liquidations. So traders that have not properly margined their trades right, of course, they are likely going to be liquidated. And what happens is a portion of those fees goes into the Hyperliquidity Provider, as well as the assistance fund. I've already explained the assistance fund in a previous video, but the Hyperliquidity Provider essentially is quite simple. It's just liquidity provided by users and Hyperliquid themselves in order to do what they do, in order to perform trades, to market make, and to accrue platform fees, which then build the flywheel of the assistance fund, which then performs buybacks on the Hype token, and also money back into the HLP to continue performing trades and perform liquidations. So this is a vault on Hyperliquid where you can invest your money into, and you can get a steady, stable return on your investment that is fairly safe, because essentially you're just investing in Hyperliquid's market making strategies. So you are just giving money to Hyperliquid. It's kind of like you have a share in Hyperliquid by investing in the HLP, because this is how Hyperliquid makes its money, through market making and liquidations and accruing platform fees. And by you staking or depositing your money into that, you are earning profit that Hyperliquid is earning as well. You are earning a share of that. So this is kind of like having a share in Hyperliquid, right? Obviously you can own the Hype token, but you could also invest in the Hyperliquidity Provider, and this is helping out Hyperliquid, right? And that is why they have accrued over $400 million in TVL, because this is a steady way to invest in the Hyperliquid platform, and you are also helping them out by doing so. And as a reward, you are earning based on what they are earning. You are earning platform fees. So you can see everything down here, all the positions they're taking. You can see the balance. You can see all of the open orders that they've placed. You can see any TWAPs they're doing, all the trade history. You can see they're constantly making all these different trades, funding, order history, deposits and withdrawals, and the top depositors. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like rating, comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe if you'd like to see more crypto content like this.